Alright guys, we are, for how many damn years, this thing was up on the jack stands and now she's on the ground, back on the ground. Holy crap, that was freaking scary, but never try that again. Oh my goodness, that was crazy. But overall, everything is good. I thought this thing the quarter pound is gonna get damaged, but thankfully this is all just the foam. And dude, we are good. We're done. So all I have to do is just push it back there. I gotta clear things up, and we should be ready to go. Dang, this is super low right now. That's crazy. But yep, I'm gonna adjust things up and should be good to go. Let's do this. Okay, it's got a little bit more space in the back here. Really do want to get it back right here where I can push, like just right in this spot right here where this wood is. Maybe if I can get it like a little bit on this side right here, then we should be good. And the car should be in position perfectly. Cool. Yeah, I'm gonna try doing that. Push a little bit back more. Cool guys, this is great. Now I just gotta secure it, put some stuff right here. It should be good. Oh yeah. I'm going to continue on and see if this is going to start. Let's go ahead. Ooh. Okay. See, still got some gas in there. Alrighty. Car starts. Alright. Alrighty. Now I'm gonna put some water here real quick. Kind of loud right now. Put the took off the exhaust, so it's only the downpipe right now. Put on the heater here real quick. Blast the heater. If I can find that. It's all digital. It's pretty cool. I like this. It's so nice. And she starts well. Loving it. Loving it. So I'm gonna put some more. Continue on putting some more water in here. Sit back and relax. We're good. Pull in there. I mean, it's temporarily, so definitely need to get rid of it anyway. I'm gonna drain it all out. Like I said, it's just an idea of like me getting this car running a place to another. So I think it should be good for now. Be fine. Oh man, I miss this car. I really do. Yeah, it's just like idle control. The IAC is probably bad, but yeah, or the fuel system's probably bad. So I need to pretty much like tune this car up again. Not trying to do anything major, you know. So for now, it's as long as it's running, and I just need to get it tuned up and get it running in good condition. So, and temporarily. So eventually, I do want to rebuild the motor, but yeah, she started. So that's all that matters right now. So I'm happy with that. Welcome back, guys, to the channel. I am here at my workshop. It's a small workshop. It's not a big workshop. It's a small workshop where I can actually work on my car, and while I can actually park my car back here, have its own stall instead of being out there. So right now, the goal for the day is basically trying to get this Skyline, get R32 Skyline driven today. I'm trying to get him back down on the ground and reverse it back over here and to its stalls over here. But first of all, I think I'm gonna get this thing going first. I'm gonna get this thing out, tore this thing apart right here, take all this thing out, get rid of all of this, so I got more space, just like the one on the 242 as well. So because it goes all the way back, and I think the R32 is a little bit longer, so I have to see if it's even gonna, well, it's probably gonna stick out more than the S13. So, but I'm planning on to extending this wall right here, the front, so the opening part. So I'm gonna have to extend it by 3 feet or 4 feet. So we'll see how it goes. I know that we're gonna try to get this thing open, get rid of this, and yeah. So tomorrow morning too as well, we're gonna have to get rid of our Randy's car. So we are surprising him. He probably doesn't know by the time he sees this video, but yeah. So we're getting this thing out of here by tomorrow morning, and yeah, he'll be surprised. So he'll get that back and be alongside with his cars. So without further ado, I will go ahead and start working on this one, and I'm not going to video that, of course. That's going to be boring stuff. So but that car, the R32, is already starting. So all I need to do is put the spare wheels on that. I'm going to have to take those and swap it out and put it back on the R32, and I have another set of wheels, spare wheels that I borrowed from Alex. Thank you so much, bro. You've been helpful with this stuff. And I got a lot of work to do before I go to Japan. So yeah, and with this sunny weather, it's beautiful, but it's over 90 degrees, so it is kind of hot. But it's pretty nice over here though. It's nice and cool. It's not so hot. So it's just, yeah. So let's get this thing started. Cool. All right, guys, finally she's back on the ground. Cool. It was way easier to bring it down actually. So yeah, but anything like that, super sketchy. Don't underestimate it. You could, you know, car could roll back on you like what happened to my 240. But the brake on that one wasn't set. So this one, make sure you have your e-brake on. Put it in a first gear if you have to. And yeah. So it's time to go buy purple car. So I'm excited for Randy, dude. My best luck for you, brother. So hopefully you can get your car fixed, and you know your boys are all here for you, man. So but yeah, so we're gonna move this car without the steering wheel. Hopefully we get it done. So RIPs, man. Hi, my name is Farhan. Welcome to Jackass. I'm running over the house.
Yep.
Alright. How am I doing this side? Good? My car is finally on the trailer. So glad finally she is going to where the owner lives now, so it's super amazing. Thanks to you, bro. I appreciate you, man. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Randy and everyone else will appreciate it for sure. So, yep. Bye-bye. Here she is, ready to go. Thanks, Ricky. I appreciate you, bro.
Yeah,
man. For sure, man. This means a lot for Randy, for sure, man.
Yeah.
I appreciate you.
I'll definitely record his reaction and stuff.
Yeah, dude, do it. I want to see that.
Yeah,
all right, bro, man. Take care.
Yeah,
Appreciate it. So today is the day that we're actually going to be going to a special trip. You excited?
Yeah.
Ready to go?
Yeah.
Where are we going?
To Japan.
So we are going to Japan. The whole family is coming, and it's going to be a second time. It's been 3 years. It's been quite a while with all the COVID stuff. So we're about ready to go. Hi. And we're on the way to the airport. There's so much luggage, man. We'll go. What's up, baby? You excited? How about you boys? All boys here, huh? Finally.
Colors International.
Yeah. All right, make sure you guys got everything, and we are ready to go.
Don't forget bring your water.
Excited? Yeah, super long wait in line. Going through the TSA took like 30 minutes of long line.
お客様の中で外国するものをお持ちの方や海外で家畜に触れた方、日本国内で家畜に触れる予定のある方は動物検疫カウンターにお立ち寄りください。